Welcome back to Auto MVP Garage 7, the place where you get clear, detailed, and practical reviews of the newest machines on the road. Today we explore the 2026 Ford Camper Van, a modern home on wheels designed for travelers, adventurers, and anyone who wants the freedom to take comfort anywhere the road leads. Ford has reimagined its camper platform with better technology, more space, and advanced features that bring an elevated level of convenience to long journeys and off-grid living. The 2026 Ford Camper Van introduces a refreshed exterior design that blends rugged durability with smooth, refined styling. Its front end carries Ford's signature bold grille, upgraded LED headlights, and a strengthened bumper for enhanced protection. The overall structure has improved aerodynamics, reducing drag while maintaining the tall stance needed for interior space. Reinforced paneling and upgraded insulation also help improve temperature control and reduce road noise, making travel quieter and more comfortable. Under the hood, the new Ford Camper Van is powered by an efficient yet capable engine that provides strong low-end torque and solid highway performance. Whether cruising long distances or navigating steep routes, the van delivers reliable power without compromising fuel economy. The upgraded transmission enhances smoothness, while the suspension system is engineered to handle varied terrains with stability and comfort. Optional all-wheel drive gives adventurers confidence for trips beyond paved roads, making the 2026 camper highly adaptable. Inside, the camper transformation is where the 2026 model truly stands out. Ford has redesigned the interior to feel more like a compact apartment, maximizing every inch of space. The cabin includes a comfortable sleeping area, a foldable dining section, a compact kitchen with a stove, sink, and storage, and a smartly arranged bathroom option depending on configuration. High-quality materials, improved upholstery, and multi-layer insulation create a warm and inviting environment. The upgraded electrical system supports multiple devices, while solar panel options help maintain power off-grid. Technology plays a major role in improving convenience. The van includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, wireless connectivity, and smart trailer integration for extra gear. Climate control is designed for both stationary and driving use, keeping the interior comfortable throughout the day. Multiple USB ports, LED lighting, smart storage compartments, and improved cabinetry help create a functional and organized living experience, perfect for long trips or full-time van life. Safety and driver assistance features have also been enhanced in the 2026 model. Ford includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a strengthened safety cell for extra protection. These features support the driver during long hours on highways and tight maneuvering in campsites. The combination of safety technology and a solid chassis design ensures that both occupants and equipment remain secure on every journey. The 2026 Ford Camper Van delivers a perfect blend of comfort, practicality, and capability. Whether used for weekend escapes, long road adventures, or as a mobile living solution, it offers the freedom to travel without sacrificing the comforts of home. With upgraded design, smarter technology, and improved durability, Ford has created a camper van that stands out as one of the most versatile and dependable options available for modern travelers. Thank you for watching Auto MVP Garage 7. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Ford Camper Van, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles and innovations. See you in the next video.